असलकुम, वेलकम टू एक्टिव फाइनेंस यूट्यूब चैनल। दिस इज़ बाबर। आज की इस वीडियो का टॉपिक है कास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन एंड कास्ट बिहेवियर। ये सीरीज़ उन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं असिस्टेंट अकाउंट्स, असिस्टेंट फाइनेंस, अकाउंटेंट, सीनियर ऑडिटर, जूनियर ऑडिटर। ये उन कैंडिडेट्स के लिए भी बेहतरीन सीरीज़ है जो शॉर्ट टाइम में प्रिपरेशन करना चाहते हैं। इन वीडियोस को देख के वो अच्छे मार्क्स ले सकते हैं। बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए आज की वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, कास्ट क्लासिफिकेशन कैन बी डन इन सेवरल वेज। डी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ कास्ट इज़ यूजफुल टू आइडेंटिफाई कॉस्ट्स। ओवरहेड कास्ट इज़ total of all direct costs. B option correct है। imputed cost is notional cost. A option correct है। the cost which is to be incurred even when a business unit is closed is shutdown cost. D option right है। Operating costing is suitable for service industry. D option correct है। Future costs that affect the current management decision is relevant cost. C option correct है। Cost which are constant for relevant range of activity and rise to new constant level once the range exceeded is called step cost. Costing refers to a techniques and processes of ascertainment of cost. A option correct है। Direct cost incurred can be identified with each unit of output. B option correct है। Question number 11. Multiple costing is a technique of using two or more costing methods for ascertainment of cost by same firm. A option right है। Question number 12. Wages paid to a laborer who was engaged in production activities can be termed as direct costs. A option right है। Elements of costs are three types. A option इसका right है। Direct expenses are also called as chargeable expenses. Indirect material used in production is classified as production overhead. Warehouse rent is a part of distribution cost. C option right है। Indirect material scrap is adjusted along with factory cost. B option right। Prime cost includes direct material, direct wages, direct expenses. C option right है। Audit fees is a part of administration overhead. D option is right। Counting house salary is a part of administration overhead. D option is right. An example of variable cost is direct material cost. C option is right। Cost accounting concepts include all of the following except profit sharing. When premises are owned, a charge for rent is imputed cost. B option is right. The ascertainment of costs after they have been incurred is known as historical costing. B option is right। Direct material is manufacturing cost. A option is right। The most important element of cost in manufacturing industries is direct cost. C option is right। The tracing or reassigning of costs to one or more cost objectives is referred to as cost allocation. A option is right। The three main categories of manufacturing costs are direct material, direct labor, and factory overheads. A option is right। Raw material is an example of variable costs. B option is right। Depreciation is an example of fixed cost. A option is right। The costs which increase or decrease in proportion to the output and sales are known as variable costs. As volume increases, the total of mixed cost increases. B option is right. Discretionary costs are usually the first costs reduced in cost reduction program. C option is right. The most significant variable cost in a manufacturing company is most often direct materials that go into the प्रोडक्ट। तो ये ऑप्शन बी इसका राइट है। The management can do very little to reduce these types of costs over the period of the next 6 months are committed costs. C option is right. Which of the following is classified as committed sunk fixed expenses or investment in manufacturing equipment? A option is right. The term relevant range means the range that cost relationships identified are valid. B option इसका correct है। In a manufacturing company, the costs debited to the work in process inventory account represents direct materials used, direct labor and manufacturing overhead. A option इसका right है। Manufacturing overhead costs would include the salary of the production line supervisor. So इसका B option right है। 40 question. Which of the following items of expense are to be adding in factory overhead costs? So C option इसका right है। Rent of factory plus factory lighting bill plus factory employees salary। 40 का option C right है। In which of the following center factory overhead cost not incurred is head office? C option is right. 42 question. The cost of electricity bill of the factory is treated as semi variable cost. D option इसका right है। Which of the following costs is part of the prime cost for manufacturing company? So इसका correct जो option है वो है A, cost of transporting raw material from the supplier's premises। A option इसका correct है। 44 question. The term conversion cost refers to, इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, द सम ऑफ डायरेक्ट लेबर कॉस्ट एंड ऑल फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड कॉस्ट। डी ऑप्शन इज राइट। 45 question. Depreciation based on the number of units produced would be classified as what type of cost? So it is variable cost. 46 question. The cost of fire insurance for a manufacturing plant is generally a part of conversion कॉस्ट। डी ऑप्शन इसका राइट है। प्राइमरी पैकिंग इज एन आइटम ऑफ प्राइम कॉस्ट। ए ऑप्शन इसका राइट है। डायरेक्ट कॉस्ट्स आर कॉस्ट व्हिच कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड विथ अ सिंगल यूनिट। सो 48 का बी ऑप्शन राइट है। 49 question. Which of the following is indirect cost to manufacture a leather coat is polish? B option is right. 50 question. Which is the following is the example of indirect labor? So इसका correct जो option है वो है D, textile engineer in textile mill। 51 question. What is the accounting treatment of normal idle time? So it is charged to factory overhead। A option इसका correct है। 52 question. Which is the following is not true? So इसका correct option है factory overhead plus commercial cost is equals to total operating cost। D option relevant है इसे। Which is the following is the true about variable cost? So इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो है डी, इजी असाइनमेंट टू ऑपरेटिंग डिपार्टमेंट। 54 क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग शैल बी इंक्लूडेड इन कास्ट ऑफ गुड्स मैन्युफैक्चरर इज प्रोडक्ट कास्ट? ए ऑप्शन इसका राइट है। 55 क्वेश्चन. विच ऑफ द method is not a proper method to calculate per unit cost? So इसके अबव ऑप्शन जो करेक्ट हैं इसमें नन ऑफ these is right option. 56 question, which of these can be classified as direct chargeable expense is royalty? A option इसका right है. If a cost is semi variable, what will affect on per unit cost if production reduced by 10%? So it will increase. इसका सी ऑप्शन राइट है. वेरिएबल कॉस्ट्स आर कन्वेंशनली डीम्ड टू बी कांस्टेंट पर यूनिट ऑफ आउटपुट. ए ऑप्शन इसका राइट है. Which of the following does not make sense of classification of cost? So इसका करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है वो डी है. क्लासिफिकेशन बाय फंक्शन, नॉर्मल एंड एबनॉर्मल. Which of the following is not the classification of cost? So pure cost, fictitious cost. C option is right. Convention cost means labor cost and total factory overheads. C option इसका right है. Identify semi variable cost from the following examples. So इसका correct option है electricity and gas bills. 63 question, which of the statement is not true for cost behavior? So इसका correct option है B, total fixed cost rise as output rise. B option इसका correct है. Cost behavior analysis is a study of how firms costs. इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, रेस्पॉन्ड टू चेंजेस इन एक्टिविटी लेवल्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, a point at which marginal revenue is equals to marginal cost represents maximum profit. B option is right. 66 question, on a graph fixed cost line will appear as a horizontal line. C option इसका करेक्ट है. 67 question, which of the following statement is incorrect? So there is indirect relation between per unit variable cost and per unit total cost. So इसका करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है ये ए ही है. 68 question, high low method and least square method are used to split fixed portion in cost. B option इसका राइट है. In a regression line y is equals to a plus bx. So B is variable cost per unit. B option इसका राइट है. 70 question, cost which remains same within one range but jumps upward outside the range is called step fixed cost. D option is right. 71 question, period costs are related to specific period. C option is right. सो ये थे आज की इस वीडियो के MCQs. इनसे रिलेटेड अगर आपको क्वेश्चन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ड्रॉप कर दें. एंड फॉर गेटिंग लेटेस्ट अपलोड्स काइंडली सब्सक्राइब एंड हिट द बेल आइकन. थैंक यू. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.